Today, we're going to bring you to one of our favorite nature parks.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
We've been to many different nature parks in Singapore, such as MacRitchie,
Chestnut too.
Chestnut, Green Corridor, Lower Pierce, Upper Pierce, and many more different nature parks. But one of our favorite nature parks is the one right here.
Here.
Welcome to the Windsor Nature Park.
Let's go, guys!
We saw the wild boar here just now, but ran off so quickly.
Oh, it just went up.
Please don't come to my channel.
I caught a dragonfly. Bro.
Dragonfly?
It's biting me.
Biting you?
Yeah.
What's that?
Got a little friend joining us today. He's younger than us, and his name is Kai.
Hi, Kai. We can make some like the boat.
I really love it here. Are you there? I wanted to catch a spider but ran away. Okay, coming back up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's so cooling here. So nice. I love it. Come on, Kai. Let's go. Our friend Kai got a little bit tired, so he's walking back to the boardwalk. So me and Max, we are going to the other side where there's more bugs, insects and nature. Let's go. We're at the end of this boardwalk and we're taking this loop to go back to where we started. Let's go. Let's go. like about Windsor Nature Park?
I like to run around in the Windsor Park.
Oh, I think what he meant was that in Windsor Park you can run around freely while it's so safe.
I'm getting tired. Come, I get you.
No, you're heavy. No.
I'm very light.
Someone told us there are 2 wobbles here, so we're gonna be extra careful.
Where's up?
You want durian?
There.
Smelly.
Are you feeling okay? I run to hide.
There's a wobble, there's a wobble, there's a wobble, there's a wobble. Oh, I got it. It's a baby. It's a big one. It's a small baby. That's in the side.
Thank you for watching our Windsor Park video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye.